the spoon spectrum. If your mashed potatoes are too dry, too wet, overmixed, or lumpy, hey, think of that. See all those different kinds of mashed potatoes? But if you wish they were perfect potatoes, well, you're going to want to pay attention because Vanessa Williams is about to show us her ultimate loaded mashed potatoes. They're the perfect side for your chicken dinner. Vanessa, dish the details.
Okay, these are the ultimate loaded mashed potatoes, and it's Thanksgiving time coming up, and this is my family's favorite. I do it every year, and they're garlic mashed potatoes with truffle salt.
Oh.
Yeah. Easy breezy, but always good.
All right.
So we've cooked our potatoes over here. Now we're ricing the potatoes, as you can see, Dr. Oz is ricing over there.
Yeah.
If this is a fancy show, so we're ricing. Normally, I cut them up and mash them myself.
I gotta tell you, they ask all the time. They're like, "What's
Why
one kitchen?"
ricing?
Well, why ricing? But what's one kitchen gadget you can't live without? And this is one. This does get you those light, airy, perfectly smooth potatoes.
Right.
I have to say.
Yeah, they keeps the starch granules intact. Apparently, that's the scientific. Yeah, and they keep them light and airy.
Go on, Bill Nye.
Well,
you know everything.
Thank you very much. Now, a good tip is using hot cream. Now, I always thought it was cold cream and hot butter. Flip it. So use hot cream, and we're putting it in right here. We got some more. And then we have cold butter.
Yes.
My
Oh,
hands.
get it in?
Thank
Gotcha,
you.
gotcha.
Boom, boom,
Get it.
boom.
Don't wanna
As you
miss
can see, I
anybody's
use my
butter.
hands a lot.
Hey.
So the melted butter is going to melt inside, but it doesn't separate, and it makes it really, really delicious.
Yeah, because you don't want to see the butters separating on the top is kind of floating.
Right.
That's when
Like an oil slick?
There you go. That's why you use the cold butter to go
Exactly.
over there.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Now, also, this is the regular garlic from a jar. You know, the jar garlic.
Minced garlic?
Yeah, minced garlic, and it's easy, and it's already chopped up for you, and your hands don't stink when you're making a zillion things.
Right.
You can smell that right there.
Is this the
Oh,
holiday?
I just hit that hot butter. Oh my goodness.
And then I found a great truffle salt when I was skiing in Breckenridge, Colorado, and I use it on everything. Popcorn, but this is my garlic mashed potatoes with truffle salt. So good.
Gosh.
Isn't that
And
delicious?
That is a truffle punch in the mouth. I love that.
In a good way. We have to say though, because people hear truffles, they're like, oh, it's gonna be expensive. It's a lot. That jar of truffle salt carries you so far. You get $500 worth of truffle flavor for the price of a latte. It's really, it goes a long way here. And I
Definitely get it too. It's
Nice,
good.
hearty, delicious. And then we've got our own mashed potato bar. We've got.
Wait, I gotta try it hot right
Yes.
like this, because I have to vouch for you all.
Do you want to?
With cheese, try the truffle salt.
Oh, I'm telling you,
Isn't that good though?
intense. Oh,
And the
so
garlic.
That little hint of garlic.
I know.
And it makes me really happy that you're like, I'm gonna make the whole thing from
good.
scratch, but you can still use the minced garlic from the jar. Don't go crazy.
Very nice.
Exactly.
Don't worry, you guys.
That's good. Oh,
This special formula that Vanessa just shared, we are, of course, going to share it on the Dish on Oz Instagram and on DrOz.com. So now here's my question. This tastes like comfort food to me, and of course, it's perfect for the holidays coming up. Is this the kind of thing you eat before a performance, or is there like some good luck food you eat?
No, I mean, I'm singing and dancing, so I keep it light. Usually some soup or maybe some crackers and some dip or something. But one time I was on the way to the theater, had a matinee, and driving in from Westchester to Manhattan, and there was a hot dog stand on the side of the road. I said, oh, just can you pull over quick so I can just grab a hot dog. Of course, my favorite was a sauerkraut and mustard. Eat it, get dressed, and at this time I'm doing Kiss of the Spider Woman, which is basically bodysuits, feathers.
Oh, look at this picture.
Wow.
Amazing.
And I was just going to ask you what's your favorite role, because I still have the playbill from that movie.
Do you
From
really?
That
Do you
play,
really? Well-
girl, your body was over.
On that particular day, though,
Yes.
I would not recommend having a hot dog before
Well,
you get into
no
a
hot
bodysuit.
dog.
What happened?
Well, the stomach started grumbling. I was like, oh, this is a bad idea.
It's a rumble in the jungle.
I made it through the show, but I'll never do it again.
There you go. She's a lady. She's a lady. I love it.
I love it. I want to taste that.
And so you make this whole cute bar. I like this too. This is a nice thing for at the holidays
I'm
too.
done ricing the potatoes.
Where you come from?
I've been working the whole time. You guys are talking about Broadway shows here.
Oh, okay, no, go for the good ones.
Let me go for the good ones.
Try it. Yeah. Here we go.
I'll taste it. Look at you. Oh, that's good. Listen, in honor of having a bona fide Broadway star making potatoes on the dish, I had an idea. What if the leads of all these wonderful plays were played by potatoes?
Okay.
This is my top 5 list. Are you ready?
Oh, boy.
Top 5 list of Broadway shows. Again, the leads are potatoes. There's Phantom of the Tatara. See what I did there? Right.
Okay, not your best work. We're getting there.
It's getting better. How to succeed in business without really frying.
Oh,
Girl, that's it.
You're a good man, hash brown.
Ah.
I love a good pun. But these are my favorites. Are you ready? Oh, wait for it.
Wait for it.
Oklahoma fry. But the winner by far,
Okay.
you're all gonna love this, Yamilton. Eat your heart out, David Letterman. Eat it out.
I love it. You guys are going to put the recipe for Vanessa's perfect loaded mashed potatoes on DrOz.com and of course DrOz.com/thedish. We're one step closer to our perfect chicken dinner, but we can't forget about those greens when we get back. Jamaica is making her creamed spinach. It is so indulgent. You need to make it.
And
for dinner
she's dressed in
tonight.
green.
Go away.
There you go.
Yeah.